Physical education. Physical education, or PE, is an important subject in school. It helps us stay healthy and fit. In PE class, we learn about different sports and physical activities. I enjoy this subject because it is fun and active. PE is a great way to break from studying and have fun with friends. In PE class, we play many sports. Some of the sports we play are basketball, soccer, volleyball, and baseball. Each sport has its own rules and skills. I like playing soccer the most. Running after the ball is exciting. I enjoy working with my teammates to score goals. Playing soccer helps me improve my coordination and teamwork. Basketball is another sport we often play in PE. In basketball, we dribble the ball and try to shoot it into the hoop. I love the fast pace of the game. It helps me stay active and focused. My friends and I practice our shooting skills during class. Sometimes we have mini tournaments, which are very competitive but fun. Volleyball is also a favorite sport in my school. We play on a team and try to hit the ball over the net. Communication is important in volleyball. We must call for the ball and work together. I enjoy diving to save the ball. It is challenging but rewarding. Volleyball teaches me how to cooperate with my classmates. In addition to team sports, we also learn individual activities. For example, we practice running and jumping. These activities help improve our strength and stamina. My teacher encourages us to set goals for ourselves. I like to challenge myself to run faster and jump higher. It feels good to see my progress. Fitness is a big part of PE. We learn about exercises that keep our bodies healthy. My teacher shows us warm-up exercises before we start playing. Warming up helps prevent injuries. We stretch our muscles to prepare for physical activities. After playing, we also cool down to relax our bodies. This helps our muscles recover. In PE, we learn about the importance of staying active. Being active is good for our health. It helps us maintain a healthy weight and improve our mood. Exercise releases endorphins, which make us feel happy. My teacher talks about the benefits of physical activity. I understand that staying active is essential for a healthy lifestyle. Sometimes we have health lessons in PE. We learn about nutrition and healthy eating habits. My teacher explains the food pyramid and the importance of balanced meals. Eating fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is essential for our bodies. I try to include healthy foods in my diet. Learning about nutrition helps me make better choices. Another interesting part of PE is learning about sportsmanship. Sportsmanship means being fair and respectful in sports. My teacher teaches us to be good teammates and to support each other. Winning is not the only thing that matters. It is important to play fairly and enjoy the game. I believe that good sportsmanship makes playing sports more enjoyable. We also participate in fitness tests in PE. These tests help us see how fit we are. We measure our running speed, strength, and flexibility. I feel a little nervous during fitness tests, but they help me understand my abilities. My teacher encourages us to do our best and improve over time. It is motivating to see my progress in fitness tests. One of the highlights of PE is field day. Field day is a special event where we compete in various activities. There are races, relays, and obstacle courses. Everyone participates, and it is a lot of fun. We cheer for our classmates and celebrate our achievements. Field day brings us together as a school community. It creates lasting memories. I also enjoy learning new sports in PE. My teacher introduces us to activities like badminton, tennis, and swimming. Each sport has different rules and techniques. I appreciate the opportunity to try new things. Sometimes I discover a sport that I really enjoy. Trying new sports keeps PE exciting. Physical education is not just about playing sports. It teaches us valuable life skills. For example, we learn about teamwork and cooperation. Working together helps us achieve common goals. We also learn about discipline and perseverance. Sometimes we face challenges, but we learn to overcome them. These skills are important in school and in life. PE also helps us develop our social skills. We meet new friends and build relationships with classmates. Playing sports together creates bonds. I enjoy spending time with my friends during PE class. We laugh, have fun, and support each other. These friendships make school more enjoyable. In conclusion, physical education is a vital subject in school. It promotes physical fitness, teamwork, and healthy habits. I enjoy playing sports and being active. My teacher makes learning fun and engaging. PE teaches me valuable life skills and helps me make friends. I look forward to every PE class. Staying active is essential for a healthy and happy life. I am grateful for the opportunity to learn and grow through physical education.